Hi, I'm Deepak Patania
And I'm Chandni. You're watching
and the Art of Science. If a nut is sleeping on a card and you flick it away, does it fly off too?
Well, that was an interesting proposition. Let's see what Deepak is up to. So he puts the nuts on the visiting card and then he flicked the card. But the nuts fell into a bottle instead of flying off with the card. Are you wondering how that happened? Well, to understand that, we need to meet Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton, a very popular physicist, proposed three laws of motion, out of which the first law is called the law of inertia. Inertia is the tendency of a body to resist change. The statement goes as, a body in rest will remain in rest and a body in motion will remain in motion until acted upon by an external force. Well, that's what happens in our experiment. You see, the nut has inertia, meaning it really wants to stay in the same place. If we move the card slowly, it isn't fast enough to overcome that force. But when we flick it quickly, the nut stays in the same place while the card flies off. And then the nuts drop into the bottle because of gravity. To understand the concept of inertia more, check out our explainer video on inertia, the first law of motion. I will link it up here and in the description box as well. We hope you liked the presentation and understood the explanation as well. If you have any questions or doubts, let us know in the comments below. Like and share the video, and we'll see you next week.